Hi guys, it's Miss Parker and I'm having a Google Meet by myself because I want to show you guys how you can use the chat to explore with enthusiasm and use the chat correctly. So, if you want to use the chat or when your teacher is telling you to use the chat, first thing you're going to do is go up to this little message bubble, press it, and now you can type in what you want to type. So, if you're having a discussion with your teacher and one of your classmates says something really interesting and you would like to add on, you can write in the chat, I would like to add on. And if your teacher sees your message and she says, yes, Precious, you may add on, you can write whatever you want to add on. I would like to add that the sun is yellow, or whatever you guys are talking about. Or if you have a question, you could write in the chat, I have a question. And if your teacher sees it, yes, Precious, what is your question? May you please repeat that question mark? Send. So those are two ways that you can explore with enthusiasm in the chat. You can add on. You can say, I agree with Josh because, and keep going. Or you can disagree. But you can only use the chat when your teacher tells you to. So you can agree, disagree, you can add on, or you can ask a question. But that is only when your teacher tells you to. What you cannot use the chat for is just talking to your friends. For example, Josh, what did you do today? That is one way to not use the chat. Or if you just want to say how you're feeling, I feel happy. Another way to not use the chat. You are only using the chat when your teacher tells you to. And you are using the chat for whatever you guys are talking about. You're not using the chat to talk to friends. You're not using the chat to say what you're eating. You're not using the chat to say how you feel unless your teacher tells you to. Okay? I hope that was helpful, guys. Make sure to answer the questions in the Google form. Okay? Do not just mark as done. Make sure you answer the questions. Bye. Good luck.